Today is the EUROMILLION lottery system. So we are finding out the possible combination numbers that will provide a winning ticket for the jackpot. So we have the likely star numbers, and also I have some possible numbers that we can rely on to use together with the star numbers to see if possible winning may be generated from the predicted numbers. So we have the hot star numbers for the Euromin lottery system, which is today the 2nd of September, the year 2022. So we have 5, 9, 4, 6, 10, and 1. These are the hot likely numbers for the Euromin lottery system. That is the star numbers. So the last star numbers were 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. But we still need those numbers among the list that we are going to use. So let's make the possible combination from these six numbers from the star numbers. So we will perm this set of number. So 5 we take 9. So we get 5, 9 for line 1. And for this area, we will use the same 5 numbers to fill this section. I have 5 numbers that we can use to fill this section. All right. So we get 5, 9, 5, 4. So right, 5, 4. And remember that 5, 9, 4 are the top ones that I like. Okay. So the next one, 5, 6. So 5, 6. The next 5, 10. 5, 10. And the next 5, 1. 5, 1. All right. It is up to 15. We are paying them. So if you are lucky to uh, stick the Euro Million Lottery system by buying just 15 tickets, maybe you are likely to get a winning from the predicted numbers. And we are hoping that the predicted numbers will also connect for us to get money from it. So the next number is 9. So we have 9 and 4, 9, 4, then 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 10, 9, 10, and lastly 9, 1. 9, 1. Now let's go to 4, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 10, 4, 10, and 4, 1. 4, 1. Okay. So the next number is 6, 10. So 6, 10, 6, 1, 6, 1, and last number 10, 1. 10, 1. All right. So this means that we have paired this particular list of numbers. So if any two of these numbers drop as the next star numbers, it's likely that we have one from this combination. Any of them will give a winning. All right. So we just need the star numbers to drop from this is 5, 9, 4, 6, 10, and 1. Two of them must drop. Okay. And that's what we want. So if two of them drop, definitely the star of numbers we've won. But remember that I've already shared with you on the channel that if you want to win the star numbers every day, then you need to buy 66 tickets, all right? 66. And you do the same, all the 12 number permutation. And that's what you are going to do. So we need 5 numbers to fill this section, and we repeat the same 5 numbers. So the 5 number that I'm going to use for today jackpot, the first I have 15. It's likely that 15 will repeat, then 28, then also 49, 44, and lastly 73. All right. So these are the best one. The other one from the um, 1 to 50 numbers. All right. So let's fill the same numbers. So we have 15, 28, 49, 44, and single 3. The same numbers 15, 28, 49, 44, and single 3. 15, 28, 49, 44, instead of 3. 15, 28, 49, 44 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 instead of 3. Alright? So 15, 28, 49, 44 instead of 3. 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 So these are the set of combinations. So you buy ticket number 1, the 5 numbers and the star numbers 5 and 9. You buy ticket number 2, the same 5 numbers and the star number 5 and 4. Ticket number 3, the same 5 number and the star number 5 and 6. Ticket number 4, the same numbers, the star numbers 5 and 10. Ticket number 5, the same set of numbers, star is 5 and 1. Ticket number 6, the same numbers, star is 4 and 9. The same set of numbers for ticket number 7, 9 and 6 star numbers. Alright. Ticket number 8, the same numbers, 9 and 10 star numbers. Ticket number 9, the same set, 9 and 1 star numbers. Ticket number 10, the same set, 4 and 6 will be the star numbers. Ticket number 11, the same set, and 4 and 10 will be the star numbers. Ticket number 12, the same set, and 4 and 1 will be the star numbers, likely. Alright? So it dropped 1 and 4, the last result for the star. Okay, will it repeat as 2 numbers? The ticket number 13, the same set, 6 and 10 will be the star numbers. Ticket number 14, the same set, 6 and 1 will be the star numbers. Ticket number 15, the same set, and 10 and 1 will be the star numbers. So this is what we have, our first prediction on the channel for the EUROMILLION lottery system. So this is the first prediction that we have on the channel. Alright, so let's see if the channel prediction will provide a winning ticket as jackpot, or at least 4 and 2 star numbers for a winning ticket today, or 3 and 2 star numbers. So let's see what will happen tonight. And this is the first prediction that I'm making on the channel for the jackpot. Okay, so let's see and hope that the numbers will provide a winning ticket. Now this is my Telegram group. If you are on Telegram, search Millions Jackpot Winners. Search this name on Telegram. Millions Jackpot Winners. Millions Jackpot Winners. Search it on Telegram, the group will come. It is a public group. You click on it, it will open, then you look under it, you see join. Click on join, then you can be part of the group. Okay, so this is my Telegram group, so you can join the group. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck for the EUROMILLIONS lottery system. Have a good day. Bye.